Hello, I am Aaron Janji Ramos from BSCS1E. What is heat index? It's how hot it feels when humidity is factored in with the actual temperature, affecting our perception of heat. Why are we experiencing such heat nowadays? Because of climate change, greenhouse gas emissions, urbanizations, and natural weather patterns are causing rising global temperatures. Who's at risk? Those children, elderly, those with the chronic illness, and outdoor workers and athletes are vulnerable to heat-related illness. How to avoid heat stroke? Stay hydrated, wear light clothing, limit outdoor activities in peak sun hours, seek shade and take breaks, and use sunscreen and wear a hat. Stay informed with the local news. Together, we can make difference. To build sustainable transportation, sustainable agriculture, planting trees, reduce, reuse, recycle, and support renewable energy. Reduce carbon footprint.